So this house was built in 1895, and around 1995, we purchased this home, and we decided it had good vibes. We just kind of enjoyed what was going on, where we were located, central location of downtown across from the park. It was August and September. We were sitting outside on the porch watching the summer concerts in the gazebo, I think on Thursday nights, and literally walk across the crosswalk and there's a microbrewery, and then the next crosswalk you're at the Buckhorn restaurant. You've got Carboni's, you've got Preserves there, the Pewter Creek Cafe, wine tasting. This is a great experience for us, and I think we should be sharing it. And so that was the venture. We went from there. We put a plan together of how we wanted to redo it, and color schemes, and we got some expert opinions on color schemes of others in the area that have done restorations of this type. And then we decided on what we wanted for the particular rooms in terms of furniture, and everything was era correct. There are modern upgrades to the house. The bathrooms are both marble, and we decided, well, the marble's going to be cold, so the floors are now heated, so you have heated marble floors in the bathrooms and things of that nature. I mean, the house is central heat and air, and it's very comfortable. This is kind of the men's room. This is where the men would retire. They would open the armoire and in 1895, and they'd be watching a big screen in football and having their whiskey, just kicking back in here.
When we stayed in this home, we realized that it had a welcoming quality about it. It just kind of embraced you. It's comforting and comfortable. And just the historicity of the home, it's very interesting. All the trim work, all the hardware on the doors, the hinges, all of it is original 1895. And just thinking about what this house represents, there isn't anything quite like it. So we thought we should make that available for people and to share it. I really felt that the home needed to represent 1895 to 1920 period. When Mike and I went looking for pieces to include in the collection here, that was kind of our criteria. I wanted to create something that would feel like walking back in time. When you come through the door, you would experience 1895. It was an elegant era. The Victorians loved art, and it shows in everything, from paintings to furnishings, the textures that they used, the rugs, the needlepoint chairs and pillows, and the cutwork lace, and all of it. When our guests come to visit, we want to make sure that it's a memorable experience. That's probably the most important thing to us, is that the experience is something that will always be treasured. So we go the extra mile. We want our guests to feel like royalty, and I think we've accomplished that in every way.